Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to earn money by Facebook Reels. If you want to do so, first of all you have to use Facebook official application. You can see here, this is my Facebook official application. Then just click on it. After clicking on it, you will find such kind of interface in your Facebook application, and I'm gonna show you step by step how you can turn on it for earning money by Facebook Reels. At the top of the side you can find here three dot line, so just click on three dot line. Next you can find here your profile, so just click on profile. Then you have to do, that is, use Facebook professional mode. For getting it, at the right side you can find here three dot lines, so just click on three dot line. Next you can find here turn off professional mode or turn on professional mode. If you are new, so just click on here turn on professional mode. If you click on here, then you will find here that is turn on professional mode. After turning on professional mode, then go back and you will find such kind of interface whenever you turn on your professional on Facebook. Then you will find here a professional dashboard. You can see here there is professional dashboard. It's a dashboard, and go back. Then you need to get a feature, that is Facebook Reels. So how you can find here, that is, you already get Facebook Reels or not yet. Then come here again in your profile and scroll down. Then you can find here Reels option. This is Facebook Reels. Also you can find here another way Facebook Reels. Go to your profile, then you can find here Facebook Reels. So I'm going to go here on my profile, and if you find this feature Facebook Reels, then upload Reels and you will earn money by it. Then click on your Reels. Then you will find such kind of interface for uploading video. A video must be under, that is, 60 seconds, not more than 60 seconds. Under 60 seconds, it can be 59, 58 seconds. You can upload that way. Then if you click on here allow access, then camera will capture your video. If you don't want to use your camera, you want to use any kind of video from your profile, then click on here at the left side photos option. Then you can select here any kind of videos which you want to add here. Suppose I'm gonna select in here, suppose I went here in my gallery, then I clicking on download option. So I would love to share this video, so just click on video. Then you can find here, this is the video and which I can send or which I can post here. Then click on next option. Now this is the most important, and select here must be public. Don't select here. You can find here many options, friends and friends exception, but must select here public. If you select here public, because many people will watch your video and you can earn money by it. After selecting this one, at the top of the side you can find here describe. So you can describe your video, and next you can find here that is describe your reel. You can also add hashtag here, so you can also use hashtag is important. Suppose I'm gonna describe something, it's a video all about cats lover, so I describe here cats lover video. Then I will use here a hashtag, that is cat lover, its own kind of hashtag. Then I will show there is another hashtag reel or reels video. So you can do that with a number of hashtag which people can search you, your video. So after giving hashtag, then come here, share now option. So click on share now option. Right now reels is uploading. You need a little bit time, so whenever it will be uploaded, then you can see here. So I'm just waiting for uploading it. Right now it's uploading. So friends, if you don't know how to get professional mode, I already made a video and you can watch my video on how to get professional mode. You can get professional mode that way. So I'm gonna check it out. You can see here is my reels. This video, it's already been uploaded. You can see here, and here I got 1 views on my video. So if you want to create your reels, click on here, just create option, and you can make reels. Then how you can see your dashboard? If you come here, then you can find a professional dashboard. So just click on here, professional dashboard. Then you can find here star option. So click on star option. Then you can find here that is I'm not eligible because right now I just started, and you need to get 1000 followers for 60 consecutive days, and you must be eligible in your country. So whenever you done it, then you will find here such kind of professional dashboard. Whenever you start earning money, and you need 1000 views also in last 15 days or 7 days. In last 15 days, then you will get ads on your videos. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you feel better. If you feel better, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos.